Welcome to AI Image Generator. To generate an image, simply input its description in the image description box and click on Generate Image. However, we have decided to make several other parameters available because more control also means higher quality of the result. These parameters are artist name, image style, image medium, lighting style, mood, image diffusion sample, and image resolution. We suggest you leave clip guidance preset on none and produce one image at a time, leaving number of variations set to 1. In this way, you can refine the image each time without wasting credits. Regarding image diffusion sample, our experience is that the K-Euler ancestral setting produces results that are almost always pleasing. But, in general, changing this parameter will produce different images each time, and it may be worth experimenting with other values as well. To quickly get the image that reflects your expectations, we recommend using the templates that Writener has specifically designed for image generation. These templates produce the exact prompt to insert in the image description and indicate how to set all parameters, so as to obtain the best result from the first attempt. To do this, we go to Templates and choose the General Designer category. We can also write Designer in the search box at the top. We will see 3 templates: Artist Designer, Cover Designer, and Commercial Logo Designer. All 3 are based on a free description of the image we want to achieve, but the first one focuses on the production of artistic images, the second one on the production of covers, for example for a book or an ebook, and the third one on the production of a commercial logo. Keep in mind that no image generator currently handles writings well, so the logos generated will always need to be subsequently hand-edited for the addition of any writings. If instead we need to get images for our blog, we choose the Blog Designer category, and we will have another 4 specific templates for generating blog-related images. These will produce prompts for creating images based on a title, a paragraph, a blog concept, or a free description. All these designer templates produce a very similar output. For this example, we choose the Artist Designer template and input the generic description of the image we would like to obtain. Now let's analyze the output. First, we get an exact match of the requested image, written with the grammar suitable for the generator. To this prompt, the optimal parameters for generating the image as requested are associated. These include the artist name, image style, medium, lighting style, mood, and image resolution, which for convenience is provided in horizontal, vertical, or squared. Next, we get another 3 variations on the initial theme, all accompanied by prompts and parameter settings. What we will have to do is copy and paste this output onto a notepad, go back to AI Image, paste the prompt we want to test, and set the related parameters. We are always free to vary the parameters and the prompt as we like, testing until we get the best result. Once generated, the image can be immediately downloaded. If you need further clarification, contact Writener's support. We will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching.